Hi everyone, Earl here. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about winter care of your beehives. And we're getting ready to go into a really cool time of the year where the winter is upon us and the temperatures are going to be falling. We're going to talk a little bit about what's going on in the hive and some other things that you can be doing during your off time in the winter time. So by now in December, you should already have your medications for mites already taken care of. You should have your patties in for sugar patties in for the winter patties in for the cold temperatures for the bees to have food to eat on to survive through the winter. So we're going to get started. So we're just going to jump right in here. If you went and opened up your hive, which we don't advise you to do in this cold weather, you would see that the bees are really nested together on the frames, and they are trying to keep warm. So if you open up your hive and it's down really cold, you can let the temperature in the hive go down quite a bit and cause damage to your bees and maybe not even survive through the winter. So a couple of different things that are going on in the hive this time of the year when it's this cold is that your queen has probably stopped laying eggs and has or cut down really drastically on egg production, so you won't be producing any brood or anything like that. And so you would also see the bees are not going to be moving around a lot, and you can actually see how much honey is in your hive by just lifting the back of it, feeling the weight of the hive. So if you've got your winter patties and all that in there, you should be able to take care of the bees through the winter time. Plus, the honey stores that are down in the hive boxes should last them through the winter time. That's why we always say to leave on plenty of honey down in the brood boxes so that the bees will be able to make it through the winter time. And so during the winter time, again, you're looking for stuff to do to wait till it's getting warmer again. So some things that you can do is put together equipment, repair equipment. You can find something to do that is rewarding, such as candle making. And in our store, we have all kinds of molds for forming candles, especially for Christmas. This time of the year is getting ready to be Christmas. So we have different molds for Christmas trees, gingerbread figures, all kinds of winter animals. And so you can always make some candles and give those away at Christmas. And that's a gift that nobody else can give you back unless they have bees or unless they're making candles. So it's really a neat and rewarding thing to do, is to make candles and give those out at Christmas and let people enjoy the smell of the honey of the beeswax comb burning in their house, and it puts off a really good odor. So there's plenty of things to do to get ready for spring, and you may be wanting to repair your equipment or put together some new equipment and get ready for that. And you probably already got your bees ordered for next year too. So that's about all you can do during the winter time, getting ready for the warmer temperatures. Also, this time of the year, we want to remind you that we wish you a happy holiday and happy holidays for this year, and hope you have time with your family and you're ready for next year with your bees and getting ready to enjoy time off and enjoy things that you're doing. We want to remind you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on the Facebook page that we have going, and also like the videos and on there so we can continue to bring you these videos with information. And also, if you can call us anytime to place an order or to get information from us personally, or our website. And you can also check out Bella, our beekeeping assistant, and ask questions and get answers for those questions for her. So again, thank you again for your patience with me, and I thank you for listening to our video and watching our video, and we'll see you again another time in another video. Thank you.